going to be he's going to join our chat, and you all have to trouble him, please, please, please. Hey, for everyone who's joining in. Hey guys, how are you all doing? Oh, everybody's saying yes. Everybody's with me. I love this. Okay. So, अरे नमस्ते.
नमस्ते कैसे हो आप?
हम ठीक है, आप कैसे हो?
बस ठीक हूँ यार, ठीक हूँ. How's everything in Delhi?
आपका नाक वाक सब ठीक है?
अरे क्या हुआ है ना मालूम है कि I got a small pimple on my nose और फिर because of my specs, I constantly was like rubbing it.
It was rub. Oh, so it became.
So yeah, no, it's the same, but I thought I'll put it on because then it feels better.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's annoying. Like you'll have to get used to looking at it.
No, it's fine. It's okay. I was watching your interview yesterday, and I was like, okay. Like I was watching your live yesterday.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay.
How are you doing? क्या चल रहा है?
I am good. I am in Gurgaon, and over here things are actually better. Things are opening up. Shops have opened. Dad goes to office for like few hours, but it's opening up. And then over here, वो odd even का चल रहा है. So few shops are open these days, and the other shops are open that day. So it's nice. It's cool now.
It's cool, man. It's cool.
It's cool. How's Bandra?
Bandra is the same, yeah. Bandra is Bandra. Like there's
Bandra
no
is
change.
No, but
Yeah,
how are the cases? They're rising and rising now. Flights are being cancelled and
मुझे
all.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि ये मुंबई वाला सीन ऐसा क्यों है?
I
why is it
know.
so bad? Like it's really
I
really
thought
bad.
I thought it was going to be the city which is going to have the least amount of cases because everybody is very.
I think it's because of the slums, no? Because there's no stopping the transmission over there. But good to talk to you, Niti. After so long, we've been planning something for so long. मुझे एक मैसेज आया
Is it still on?
आपके फैन से मुझे मैसेज आया कि एक्चुअली सर मैं इसलिए मैसेज कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि आपने कहा था कि आप नीति के साथ कुछ करेंगे 2018 में, तो मैं वैसे 2 साल से वेट कर रहा हूँ, आप कर रहे हो ना अभी? I'm like, yeah, we have been planning but nothing has worked out. And there's always something that comes in the way. अभी ये लॉकडाउन हो गया और फिर हमारा शॉर्ट फिल्म बनने वाला था, वो भी नहीं बना.
I really thought कि I got replaced.
By what? मैं कुछ करता तो then it.
By who?
If I had done something, then you would have been replaced. No, if I had done something which we were supposed to do together.
हाँ.
किया ही नहीं है हमने
कुछ नहीं किया.
कुछ नहीं किया, गाना गाते रहता हूँ बस.
People, you have a voice I wish I had. Yeah. I like really wish because I love singing and I'm so bad with it.
Sing
so
something.
bad with it. I don't want you never to call me ever again. I don't want that to happen.
I'll play the guitar. My guitar's right here. I'll play the guitar. You sing.
Oh my God! Now,
sing whatever you want. Guys, if you want Niti to sing something, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up in your in the comments. If we get like 20 thumbs up,
if
the emoji, if 20 of thumbs up emojis come, then Niti will sing something. One is
preparing my voice. Okay.
2, 3, 4. It's over, Niti. Already 4, 5. The only messages that are coming now are like thumbs up. 6, 7.
I'm trying to think which song to sing.
I'll tell you easy song.
हाँ, tell me.
पहला नशा
पहला नया प्यार है नया इंतजार कर लूं मैं क्या अपना ऐसे ले बेकरार. Somebody's written, please Niti, don't.
That's funny. That's funny. One Yaria song.
Arjun is like, मैंने गलती कर दी है. I really shouldn't have.
I'm already smiling so much. This thing is coming off. I didn't know this. You know, I noticed this that my nose goes back like fully when I smile. Like, so it's very difficult to put any bandage here. But it's okay. The whole point of this is to hold the specs. So
Steven is here. What's up, Steven? He's like, Niti singing. Everybody's like, कहाँ से आ गई ये लड़की?
चलो मैं गा लेता हूँ आपके लिए.
Yeah, please.
शायद कभी मैं कह सकूं ना तुमको, कहे बिना समझ लो तुम शायद मेरे ख्याल में तुम एक दिन मिलो मुझे कहीं पे गुम शायद जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो रहेंगे हम नहीं, न चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज्यादा तुमसे कम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो तो हम भी हम नहीं, जो तुम ना हो तो हम भी हम नहीं, न चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज्यादा तुमसे कम नहीं, शायद कभी मैं कह सकूं ना तुमको, कहे बिना समझ लो तुम शायद.
Damn, yeah. But listen, I need to tell you this. My father's a very, very big fan of yours. He's got
Really?
all, yeah, he's got all
Where is
your
uncle
songs.
right now?
There is uncle, uncle. Uncle.
He doesn't mind if I call him uncle.
Like he's your biggest. Like he has all your songs on his phone, and his. Daddy, come inside. Come inside.
Hi, uncle. How are you?
How are you?
Nice.
Fine, fine.
Daddy, he can't see you. Huh.
No, oh yeah, he can't hear me either because
Ha.
but you must tell him that I see him in all your videos. And
He
I find
sees
him
you
very
in
cute.
all the videos, and he finds you very cute. He's feeling very shy. He was like, I was telling him I have a live with Arjun, and he's like, Arjun ke saath, Arjun, and then he took out the list, need to see the song. I was like, I know what song he sang. He's like, and I've always heard all your songs in his car. He's got like a pen drive and all.
So sweet, yeah. I already love him. If he
You
likes
already
my
love
songs,
him?
I already love him.
He loves you.
So tell me, what have you been doing in the lockdown?
What have you been doing? You tell me.
No,
Other
than taking care of your hair, what have you been doing? So guys, I have to tell you this. Can I say?
Yeah, I
Please.
have seen it.
I want to say it's damn cute and it's funny at the same time. So basically, I called Niti on Friday and I told her, listen, we should go live then tomorrow only, Saturday only. So she said, okay, cool. Then she calls me on Saturday morning or messaged me rather, and she says that, listen, I can't do the live. I said, why? I put oil in my hair. Yeah? Now my oil is going to be in my hair till Monday. 3 दिन के लिए बाल में तेल.
And then
didn't know that
Nancy
people do
also,
these
what
things.
What are you going to do? I was like, I want to watch it. Yeah, no, but I want my hair to grow long. But as you can see, this is so fluffy right now and this is so nice. मैंने बहुत तेल लगाया.
Very, very nice it is. But 3 days?
3
Wow,
days.
what dedication.
I know,
That takes a
I
lot.
do.
Huh?
As I put it on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday I watch.
That's what I said. No?
But I told you also there are other things also put, with the oil. So imagine.
Like what? Tell me your hair care regime.
So there was onion juice. There was aloe vera and there was oil. And then when I had to wash it, I put coffee and the conditioner and I put it on my hair.
Coffee. Why does
Coffee.
coffee help?
It makes your hair really soft. It makes your hair so soft and so shiny.
Really?
Really.
तो मैं
It's
भी
very
करने
good.
वाला हूँ.
Kar
I'm,
lo.
I'm,
It's a conditioner. So you have to take coffee and you have to keep like the danes, the seed, whatever it is called. It needs to like get really crushed. But it's really good. You'll see it. It's like
so listen, now that since we're talking about it now, I want to do something with you jaldi se. What can we do together jaldi se? What do you want to do? What kind of project do you want? Do you want to do a short film? Do you want to do a music video with me? What do you want to do?
I would love to do a music video with you.
So let's do a music video.
Chalo,
So I'll
let's.
do one thing. I don't know when the lockdown is ending, right? We don't know.
Hmm.
We
Hmm.
don't know when what's happening.
Yeah,
So
because
what
every
we
month it keeps getting extended.
yeah. So I'm gonna make some songs.
Hmm.
Like what kind of songs do you like?
I love all your songs.
You know, I
I'm
remember
also a fan of yours.
you had told me that once that
Hmm.
you wanted to play a evil role.
Yeah,
Remember?
that I did. A psycho, evil, like, a sweet face doing all these things. Like, yeah, I think I have a sweet face. An
Yeah,
innocent face, rather.
but you have like a you don't have a psycho face for sure.
हाँ वही I would love to do that.
Psycho face तो नहीं. But how will
हाँ
you pull it off?
देखें कर
इतनी
लेंगे
छोटी
ना.
I've met you many times. इतनी छोटी सी हो. इतनी
Just
cute सी हो.
because you
कैसे
are
करें?
6'4", you are 6'4", you are like next time I better wear heels and come.
Uh, yeah, sorry, I'm just reading the comments and everybody's just laughing at the hair jokes still.
Yeah, I know.
Like doctor says 3 hours, not 3 days. कौन से डॉक्टर ने बताया उसको पता नहीं. But yeah.
In this case, I am the doctor. I'm my own doctor.
Okay, so Manan only is asking what about your project?
Yeah, so what about my project? Or our project?
Our project.
Our project, you have to say, no? I am the waiting for you only.
So Psycho Gana.
Psycho Gana. Psycho Gana.
नहीं psycho गाना नहीं. That you have to play a psycho,
La
right?
la 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 la.
ऐसे थोड़ी होगा.
I'm telling you, I saw that video so many times after meeting you. Okay, the first time when I met you in Juhu. Okay, after I went home and I was like, ये बंदा इतना tall है. I was like, नेहा कक्कड़ तो बड़ी छोटी सी है. So literally I went and I saw कि ऐसा क्या framing है कि like she looked like you guys. It didn't look like a height difference. So I was and I was like, yaar, मैं भी कर सकती. I wish I could sing, yaar. Like all these things I imagined in my head.
You can sing. So Jonita, my friend Jonita is here. The amazing Jonita Gandhi is
I
here.
know. She sings
And
so
she's saying
well.
you're starting a real trend with this white tape. Bro, you see, anything like I do is a trend, just so you know. No, it's
Oh,
not true, but
oh.
I'm joking. But I had to say something. Jones makes a lot of fun of me all the time.
Oh, why?
Just she likes to do it. She likes to pull my leg.
But it's good. I always think you pull everyone's leg.
Really?
Yeah,
You think
I
so?
feel like that.
When did I pull your leg ever?
Always.
Like when?
No,
कभी नहीं.
you have. Very sweetly you do it.
अच्छा. So Jonita saying, ha, wow. See, everybody saying your height is cute. And Jonita, and you don't make fun of me. You can earn caps. But you know what? I think, do you play that game where you have to guess the gibberish?
Oh yeah, I'm very bad at it.
So there's nobody worse than Jonita.
Yeah? No.
Literally,
I can beat her. Trust me, I can beat
she
her.
is really bad.
I just
Jonita,
don't
if
put
you're hearing
anything
this,
out.
if you're listening to this, I challenge you to a gibberish off. Next time I meet you, we're gonna do it.
Damn.
No, but this white tape is now starting to bother me. Huh? It's really annoying.
Nikalo, it's okay. We all want to see
Yeah,
it.
you know, it's not about the pimple. It's just it's gonna get worse if I keep rubbing my specs on it.
It is.
Huh?
But you never used to wear specs before.
So I my number became much worse. तो उसके वजह से I'm just like now trying to be a little bit more like I don't want it to become worse than what it already is. So it was 0.75 or something on one eye and 0.25 on the other. Now it's
And
1.25 and 0.25.
Oh, okay.
So now it's weird, yeah.
But it's दूर का पास का?
दूर का, पास का तो नहीं.
दूर का. Okay. तो फिर अभी क्यों पहना है?
अरे because we constantly look at the screen, no?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Point to be noted, my lord. But listen, I really want to ask you, the fancy dishes that you guys make at home, how? Who makes these things?
So Carla makes it. She's
But how is
amazing.
she? Firstly, how is she? Give my love to her and auntie.
Yeah, she's good. My mom's good. Everyone's good. She's now in this lockdown. She's become a chef,
Okay.
and she makes the most amazing food, and I get to eat it, so I'm not complaining.
But बहुत अंग्रेजी खाना बनता है यार.
अंग्रेजी
Very
गाने
English. अंग्रेजी खाने. They look so good and so English. And listen, she's very hot.
Yeah, all these things are true. All right.
All these things are true. How modest.
No, but she is an amazing chef. Like next time you're in Bombay, come over, have lunch with us. She
You
makes
only
like
invite other people. You only call me when you have TikTok. And when
What?
my father
Please.
is there. Yeah.
When
Have you called me like that? Then.
when is the last time we
Nation
did
wants to
TikToks
know.
together?
No, you said you had invited me that day, but then my father's flight landed late. So I couldn't come.
I mean, because it wasn't only me. It was like some 3-4 people had invited you, some other
Yeah.
people. I thought we'll all chill, talk. ऐसे तो TikTok कौन बनाता है यार? ऐसे मतलब who makes an effort to make TikTok without hanging out? Like अभी I'm not
A
a
lot
influencer.
of people who want
नहीं
followers.
मतलब मैं खुद नहीं करता. I'm sure a lot of people do it, but मैं खुद नहीं करता.
Huh.
Like
I don't know, but
find
I think it takes a lot of
effort.
time and energy and effort to make and you need to be real. Like these people who do TikTok, I think that content is so great. Sometimes they come up with really good stuff.
No, I'm not dissing them. I'm saying I don't do it.
Yeah,
मेरे में है ही नहीं वो चीज कि I can just sit and do TikTok.
मैं बहुत ट्राई कर रही हूँ. नहीं
हाँ
होता
कर रही
है
है.
मुझसे.
How's
I'm
your
trying.
TikToking going?
I'm trying, but I can't. I get so bored. I get very
Someone has
bored.
said Carrie Bhaiya has left the chat.
Who's Carrie Bhaiya?
How do you not know who Carrie Minati is?
Oh, Carrie. Okay, sorry. I thought Carrie Bhaiya. Well, who's Carrie Bhaiya now?
Who else is going to be Carrie Bhaiya except Carrie Minati? But yeah, his YouTube versus TikTok video is just too funny. Did you watch it?
No, I didn't. That's why I'm like,
What, really?
No, I didn't watch it. TikTok is banned.
No, TikTok is not banned.
Somebody has written it.
But this is quite controversial, no? Let's like move away from this. नहीं तो झगड़ा हो जाएगा किसी के साथ.
नहीं.
आजकल तो लोग आके झगड़ा कर लेते हैं if you have an opinion about YouTube and TikTok.
Listen, they troll you for anything and everything.
Troll भैया, if you're watching this, please forgive me. जो भी मैंने कहा, मैं माफी मांगता हूँ. किसी के साथ पंगा नहीं लेना है मुझे. मैं अच्छा सीधा साधा इंसान हूँ जो बहुत मेहनत करता हूँ मेरे म्यूजिक पे. I don't know anything about the world and the TikToks of the world and the TikTokers and the YouTubers. So please forgive me. Neeti Ami is asking, how did you guys become friends? How did we become friends?
La 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 la. Yeah, I think I had messaged you because I had put like a video, I think, or I was like, love the song, and then you replied back, and then we became friends.
Really?
I
That's how we
tagged
became
you.
friends?
How did we become friends?
That's so boring, yeah. Let's come up with a different story.
Okay, chalo. Let's change the story.
Let's see this way. So I was mountain biking.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
I
and I
wonder
fell
what was I
down.
doing.
I fell down and like just down the hill, Neeti's shoot was going on. So, like she got like a whole crew to come and save me. And then we became friends.
Wow.
Is that too dramatic?
Very dramatic.
Okay, let's tone it down a little bit more.
Yeah.
Uh,
I was not shooting, but take that part out.
okay, fine, boring. Then let's take that.
Huh.
Okay, we were standing at food hall in a line and you cut me, remember?
Oh yeah, I do.
Yeah, you cut people.
I never saw a tall, I never saw a tall person standing in front of me. I just walked past him. Yes, I did.
Yes, you knew that I was standing in the queue, but you cut me
Oh,
off
I
anyway.
just, achha, okay.
Yeah.
That's what you believe. No, but I didn't notice you. I was not
So
wearing my chashma.
I was like, कौन है ये छोटी सी लड़की? It's like just like cutting
कहीं
me
से नहीं
off.
घुस रही है.
कहीं से नहीं घुस रही है. ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? And you just went in like doing like the Kiki, do you love me? And then you went, you went into the line and you just checked out, dude. What the hell? Just
And then
checked
you
out all your
came.
stuff.
And then?
I was just
उसके
like,
आगे
what
क्या
the
हुआ?
hell? I was like, what the hell is this? Like, don't you have any manners? This is
And then we became
I'm
friends.
so bad at this. Like, I'm just like,
I know. You're like
I'm so
bad at
terrible.
it.
Will
So
you do a
wait.
wait, the
Will you
question
do-
is, will you do a
will you
music
do-
video with Pani? Who's Pani?
So Parth, who was my co-actor, was Parth. Parth and Neeti, Pani.
Oh. नहीं,
Yeah.
parts को equation से निकालो. If I'm doing a video, I'm doing it in Diti alone. I'm not doing it with some random third person. Sorry. Like, sorry, Parth, I don't know you, man, but like, you're cancelled. Like, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है यार. I'm just reading all the comments and most of them are just like hearts with these like very big.
That's like love struck wala emoticon.
Yeah, I know what it means.
Emoji.
I'm just saying, I don't know what it's called. Love struck emoticon and all. Who calls it
Huh.
emoticon? It's emoji.
Emoticon. Emoji. That's okay. Emoji. You corrected me before also, na? When I said emoticon, you were like emoji.
Arey, yeah, someone asked me, did you watch Kill Me, Heal Me? Yeah, you told me yesterday. How am I going to watch it already?
Kill me, heal
I'll
me.
watch- Kill me, heal me, not kill me, kill me.
No, kill me, heal me.
You said kill me, kill me.
Nahi, I said kill me, heal me.
My bad, my bad.
Arjun,
From
are you
where-
Bengali?
No, I'm not Bengali.
What are you, Arjun?
I wish I was something, yaar. I think I'm Rajput, but I'm not sure.
Achha, you're not sure.
I'll tell you why I'm not sure. So, my grandfather claims that we are Rajput. He says we are Rajputs 100%.
Huh.
But all his children, which is my mom, her sister, brother,
Huh.
they are saying that we are like half Rajput and half Marwadi Jain.
Okay.
So nobody's sure.
Oh. It's okay.
But I just say, when the people pressure me, I just say Rajput.
Okay. When people pressure you. Guys, I'm not pressuring him.
You pressurizing all the time. Yeah. The peer pressure and all that.
I'm washing my hair. I'm only washing my hair and taking care of my hair. That's all I know. And that's all I do.
Parth is already shooting music video in Hyderabad. I guess not sure. Yeah, but who cares, bro, about Parth? I'm just saying. You guys care, but I don't. Sorry,
आगे मत
Parth, I
बोला.
don't mean all this, I'm just joking. I'm just
आगे
joking,
मत
Parth.
बोला.
I'm very sorry. All Parth
He's
fans will come and troll me.
Arjun is a very witty man, so guys don't get too serious.
No,
He's
no, I'm
joking.
just joking, guys. I'm sure.
Yeah.
Okay, someone is saying Arjun sing something. No, I'll only sing if Neeti sings something back.
Neeti sing something back.
Okay, so when you're alone, what do you sing?
When I'm alone, I sing so many songs. Gulabi aankhein.
क्या बात? Go on, go on. जो तूने देखी
देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको. Sing. You can never sing it better than
Love
Singo.
it. Love it, love it. Okay, so I'm going to sing then. What should I sing? You tell me.
I think you should sing ना जाने मेरे दिल को क्या.
No, but let's do it like sad and all. Something peppy, something happy.
La
Hey,
la
you're-
la 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 la.
I was going to say something else, but okay, come.
Where to come?
One, two, three, four. कुड़िए मैंने सारी खबर मेरे पीछे की कर दी है तू हाँ तू, yes I'm talking to you. झूठा मैनू प्यार जता के मतलब पूरा कर दिया तू, हाँ तू के रख सोनिया जवानी नी संभाल के सनी नजर में तेरी हर चाल ते भवे मन ले तू तेज की होना है कि बेचा तो बेगे बजतावेगी गाने में तेरा गावे ला 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 ला.
Listen, I have a request. You have to sing the song for me. वो देखने में कैसी सीधी सादी लगती.
I don't know the lyrics, but I'll prepare it for you. So next time we do a live, we'll do it.
Okay, done. That's like.
हाँ, hello Neeti ma'am. Love to watching KKY. What is KKY? कैसे आ रही है?
कैसी आ रही है?
Okay. Palash is here. Who's Palash?
Palash!
Who's that?
He's also a singer, composer, music
Oh,
director.
but is he Berry?
Palash Munchal.
Oh, I know Palash.
हाँ.
That Palash.
That Palash.
Where is he?
मुझे नहीं पता ना. He said hi and he went. I don't know. Pallu is also written Pallu. Wow.
Favorite. Hi Palash, what's up, bro?
Who's favorite but?
यार Nikki shot please.
ये निके shots, ये छोटे shots. My little niece sings that song.
So let's sing it once. Come. Tell me something.
Arjun bhai.
What?
Palash.
Oh. Okay, come. रातें फरेबी, रुक जा जरा सांस ले ली, बेकसी दो मुझे भी, you be all over, I'll be all over you, and I don't चाहे ये तू भी सारी मेरी बेकरारी, कहती मुझे कि आज डूब जाना, कि आज भूल
पीने बाद
हाथ धोने के बाद.
ओ बाकी
बातें हाथ धोने के बाद.
अच्छा
मेरा प्यार
ये निके शॉट, ये छोटे
सोच पे खरोच नहीं सौंपी गया मैं, ये निके
छोटे शॉट.
You scared me. I was going to sing the next part and I just heard Nikki shots.
I love it. Yeah, I'm telling you, when the song plays in the club now, everybody's like, yeah, nikke shots, yeah, choda shots. And then you
What is the
feel
first
like
thing?
ordering more shots.
What is the first thing you're going to do once lockdown is over?
Party.
Party?
I don't need
Where?
to go and dance anywhere in Gurgaon, Cyber Hub, kuch bhi khule. Drunk Botanist. I think that is one place I want to go to. The cocktails are so good. Drunk Botanist.
Where is that?
Cyber Hub, Gurgaon. Gurgaon.
Achha. See, I don't know anything in Gurgaon, but when I come to Gurgaon, you'll take me out.
I'll take you out. You get all fans around. Oh my God, Arjun.
No, but this is how we're gonna dance, right? Like, this is
Yeah. Even when we meet in Bombay, we'll go to like a place where they're playing music and all, and we just like. Last time wherever we met was very boring.
Yeah, na, that Zoom party and all.
Zoom party? No, not Zoom.
I was like, you had so much fun that day.
Zoom was amazing.
Yeah, Zoom
but
was
no,
great.
I'm talking about the first time we met, some Chinese place.
No, we met somewhere next to your house.
No, that was the second time. First
What's the first time we met?
Some Chinese place in Juhu.
Chinese place? How come I can't remember? Anyway. Yeah, I'm just reading the comment. I get very distracted. I think I have ADHD. Like if something is scrolling in front of me, then I will like.
I'm feeling dizzy watching you guys because you were doing this.
Because we're so like energetic, bro.
What's up? You know what? Actually, we should have done it ask questions to each other and done a rapid fire and all. I think that would have been so much fun. Okay, chalo, I'll ask you questions.
Okay,
See,
done.
this is like my okay. The first word that comes into your head
Okay,
when I say these things?
okay.
Wait, let me think. Okay, give me a second.
Rapid fire it's supposed to be, bro.
Arey, questions. This is ekdam like that wala. Okay,
No,
camera,
no, no. But okay, okay. So I'll give you 2 seconds. I'm gonna like let you be for 20 seconds.
camera. I don't know. Camera.
Hmm?
Say a word. Camera.
Camera, live,
Phone.
Instagram.
Singing.
Arjun,
Dancing.
Niti,
Live.
song.
Cooking.
Huh?
Cooking.
Carla,
Cooking. Khana. Acha, okay. Sorry, sorry.
Carla.
I got that. Workout.
Uh, Gym.
Live concerts.
A.R. Rahman.
A.R. Rahman. Your live concerts.
My live concerts. Am I supposed to associate something with that? Crowd.
Love.
Love. Carla again.
Life.
Life. Music.
Music.
Every day.
World.
Coronavirus.
House.
Too much. I want to get out now.
Favorite song.
La 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 la. Now it's stuck in
Favorite
my head.
band.
Favorite band. Indiscreet.
Favorite singer.
Favorites Arijit Singh.
Favorite singer Indian.
Arijit Singh.
IG Singh. Acha, IG Singh. I'm
Arijit
so
Singh.
hearing Arijit Singh. I'm hearing IG Singh. Socho. Okay.
Too much Gurgaon, bro.
Favorite band. Too much Delhi is happening here. Mom, Bombay. Wait, favorite band Indian.
Indiscreet.
Favorite band
In the
not
world.
Indian in the world.
Pink Floyd.
Pink Floyd. Okay. India or USA?
Your fans are so honest. They're like, Bas Neeti, this is so boring.
I didn't read that anywhere, okay? Is that you? Put some, please.
Someone saying Thaikudam Bridge. Thaikudam Bridge is also great. Great band.
Great band. Okay. No idea. Do you eat with spoon or do you eat with a spoon or a fork or with your hand?
Folk. Folk.
Ah, okay.
What is this? What are these questions? No wonder they're
I
bored.
wanna
Why will they
ask.
tell you spoon and fork?
अरे
Let
क्यों
me
नहीं?
ask. Let me ask you questions right now.
हाँ?
Okay, done. Uh, house or car?
House.
Money or love?
Love.
Fame or fortune?
Fortune.
पैसा चाहिए.
वैसा चाहिए फॉर्चून तो वैसे भी बेकार ही है पैसे ही मिल जाए अच्छी बात है
Okay, happiness forever or $1 billion?
हैप्पीनेस फॉरएवर
अच्छा, fans or money?
फैन
Uh, okay. Okay. Hey, you're engaged, right? Or you're married?
आई एम एंगेज्ड
You're engaged. So when are you getting married?
आई विल लेट यू नो I
You don't
don't
know
know.
yet?
No, I don't know.
Okay, so honeymoon in India or outside?
Outside.
Where outside?
I would love to go to Greece.
Hmm?
I would love to go to Greece,
Greece.
Europe, yeah.
Nice. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I'm out of questions.
By the way, my fiance is 6'2".
Hey, somebody said Arjuna Parth. That's a great question, bro. I love it. Tell me the
Arjun.
answer now. Yeah.
Arjun. Arjun. Do you know my
Love
laugh
it.
is very funny and very bad?
Love it.
And
But you know, listen, if Parth watches this now, he's going to be really pissed with me. I'm just saying.
no, no,
So,
no. He's
Parth,
cool.
माफी मांगता हूँ मैं. Parth's fans, माफी मांगता हूँ मैं. Listen, the fans get pissed more than Parth. Yeah.
Are dead meat.
Yeah, I know. They've already made like plans to troll me.
Where do you stay in Gurgaon? Please give a clue.
Next to IG Singh.
I just think.
Okay.
Ouch.
There's only laughter
People are
now.
writing ouch.
Ouch. Why?
Because I chose you.
Yeah, but dude, she has to choose. Imagine she's on a live with me and she chooses Parth. I feel so bad right
Yeah,
now.
that's yeah.
Someone is saying
And
Parth
I
forever. Parth forever. But listen, not for Neeti, obviously. For you, it's okay.
oh,
इतने सारे Parth forevers. अरे यार समझ गया मैं आप फैन लोग हो. I'm very sorry. It was just a joke.
home
But
or
listen,
shooting? Somebody's asking. Of course, not. I think we all have stayed at home for the longest time. We all would like to get out of the house and work.
yeah, absolutely. तो अभी मैं एक गाना गाऊंगा और फिर
हाँ।
मैं जाऊंगा.
हाँ, मैं भी
क्योंकि
जाऊंगी कुछ मेरे खाने का टाइम हो गया है.
खाने के टाइम आ गया है हम लोग का.
हाँ
तो
हाँ.
आप बताइए गाना भी गाऊं कि अभी निकल जाऊं.
नहीं, प्लीज गाना गा के जाइए. बट सिंग लाइक एन इंग्लिश सॉन्ग. नाइस
इंग्लिश सॉन्ग. देखो हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं.
आई कांट रिक्वेस्ट.
हम सिर्फ इंडियन गाना आता है हमको. इंडियन हिंदी गाना, तमिल
Indian.
गाना, तेलुगु
Okay.
गाना.
So wait. Oh, that song of Kabir Singh. Oh God, what is that song?
Which song?
The song of Kabir Singh.
There are so many songs from Kabir Singh. All are famous.
Tell me now one of the names. Now I can't remember.
तेरे बिन ना लेंगे एक भी दम.
यही
यही चाहिए.
चाहिए.
Okay. I forgot what scale it is in, but I'll find it. Okay. दिल का दरिया बह ही गया. इश्क इबादत बन ही गया. खुद को मुझे तू सौंप दे. मेरी जरूरत तू बन गया. बात दिल की नजरों ने की. सच कह रहा तेरी कसम. तेरे बिना न लेंगे एक भी दम. तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम. तेरे बिना न लेंगे एक भी दम. तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम. तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे कदम. तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम. तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम.
Suache Saras. Damn nice. Yeah, you have like a lovely voice, and always God bless you with a lot of success. Like seriously.
Yeah, but then like now we have to sit and actually plan a music video, not like in the wind.
You
See,
have to plan it. I'll be the one who will be like.
I'm going to
always.
plan it. See, right now we don't know when the lockdown is going to end, but I'm going to plan it anyway for whenever it ends.
Done.
Right?
Yes. We can
Neeti
even, like, now I have an idea. Should I share it right now or later?
हाँ बोल ना.
मैं बोल रही हूँ कि कोई भी जो like one of your old songs, we can literally like record it, you record it there, and I record it here. Let's like do it in a
like
good
a
thing, and
faraway concept.
yeah, and then put it together and put it on Instagram. I think it'll be damn cool.
Why Instagram? Then we'll do like a proper video on YouTube, na?
हाँ ठीक है.
What
Done.
is this? This is our dance,
super
basically.
excited. Yeah.
Arey yaar, I'm already getting death threats from these Path fans.
Yeah.
Like, we will kill you, Arjun, Path forever.
Next time, you have to sing Mehfil Mein Tere, because whenever you start with na, it sounds like you're going to sing that song.
Yeah, but it's a good song. Mehfil mein teri, hum na rahe jo, hum to nahi hai, gham to nahi hai, kisse hamare nazdikiyon se. I don't remember the lyrics. I don't remember the lyrics.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Hi, Abhilash. Sorry. Friends are coming up.
Okay, chalo. Bye. I'm going to see you soon. Thank you for having me on your Instagram live, and we're going to plan